Here's how to enable Google Assistant in Samsung Galaxy A16. First of all, open the Google app and make sure you have logged into your Google account. Now tap on your profile photo, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Google Assistant. Here, scroll down and tap on General. Enable Google Assistant. Tap on Turn On. Now, go back and tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. And now we have to add here our voice. So enable Hey Google and tap on I agree. And now say, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Now say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say, Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. And now say, Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. That's how. Just go ahead and verify your voice here, then tap on Next. And now you are good to go. Let's use Google Assistant. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What type of shoes do frogs wear?
Okay, that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.